Today's video is going to be something very interesting. A student asked me this. Sifu, how do you pronounce Xuan correctly? A lot of people do not know how to pronounce this. If they see Xuan, most will tell xuan, xuan, soon, soon. It's around there. So a lot of people do not know how to pronounce Xuan. I'm going to show you how do you pronounce xuan. It's actually very, very easy. You see, if you want to understand how do you pronounce every single Chinese character, there's only one way. You have to go to a Chinese school. There you just learn everything. But if you're not from a Chinese school, you're on your own learning, how are you going to do this? So you want somebody to guide you step by step. This is where Sifu is here. I will be guiding you. So don't have to worry. So now today's lesson, we're going to show you how do you pronounce Xuan. So the first things first here is you need to understand X in this manner sounds like SH. SH. Alright, so that's the first part. And then UAN, you switch it to UEN. So you get SHUEN. That's it, Sifu. So how do you pronounce SHUEN? Xuan. That is the answer. Xuan. Xuan. Isn't it easy that way? Now you might be asking, Sifu, why not the Chinese language just follow this? No, cannot. It's not possible. You know why? Because the entire pinging structure is revolving around the Chinese language. That means when you type Chinese character, if you type SHUEN, it's not going to come out. You got to follow their system. It's their system and their rules. You just follow. Alright, so in this manner, XUAN is called xuan. Xuan. You don't go and tell soon, swan. No. It doesn't work that way. Okay, it doesn't work that way. It is xuan. So if you bring in the four tones, very easy. Xuan, 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 xuan. Isn't it easy? So, like for example, if you learn this one word called select, or in Mandarin you say choose or select, it's the same thing. Alright, in Mandarin use this word, xuan. So number 3, xuan, 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 xuan. See, isn't it easy? So if you want to tell, I want to select, 我要选, I choose this, 我选这个. Sifu, very easy. Yes, very easy. You see, as long as Mandarin, if you understand the pronunciation, you know the initials, you know the finals, you know how to pronounce every single word correctly. Make sure every single word that you pronounce, you speak it clearly. It's sort of like you're sort of like understanding the entire language out about 10 or 20% already because you're speaking every word correctly. Alright, so I understand some of you are saying, Sifu, what about the tones? Yeah, tones, wait first. Get the pronunciation fixed first because the pronunciation is wrong. No matter how your tones is, they will not understand. So fix your pronunciation. Make sure every word that you speak is clear and it's understood. And it goes slow. I tell this to all my students, just go slow. You can never go wrong speaking Mandarin slow. You will go wrong speaking Mandarin fast. That's why I tell everybody, yes, you might be saying, Sifu, you're all speaking very fast. I don't understand. Yes, it's not they're speaking fast. You are not up to their level of speed. You are learning a new language. So you go slow. You don't have to keep up with them. Because you ask them to listen to how you speak your mother tongue. Let's say if you're speaking Malay, then you speak your speed, then they won't understand. It's the same thing. So now you are listening to Chinese people speaking. Definitely they are fast. No, they are not fast. You're just not up to their frequency. So to reach to their frequency, there's 3 steps involved. That one, another video I'll share with you. Alright, so now it's pronunciation. Pay attention to pronunciation. Make sure you can pronounce every single word correctly and clearly. So in this video, I'm showing you how do you pronounce XUAN, which is xuan. Is it easy or not? Very, very easy. So if you do not understand any single word, any single pronunciation, put inside the chat. I will make a video and I'll teach you. Every single word I can pronounce it right. So if I know it, I want to share with you and I want to teach you. How is this video? Is it very nice or not? Comment and let me know what do you think about this video. 谢谢